What is your parenting superpower? My kids tell me my superpower is my hearing, but I know it's my zest. What if I told you I'm offering the key to help you identify your incredible parenting know how? Because everyone wants a happy and healthy family. It's essential that we do our best so we can encourage our kids to feel inspired to do what they love. I know that sounds a bit intriguing, so let's take a step back. If you give me an hour, we will work together to uncover your parenting talents. You will take away invaluable information to apply to your family who may question your new mindset. This introduction is an encouraging beginning that will take you down a path that will support your family's full potential. So, even if you don't have time to join us for this free workshop, we will share the tools and resources with you once you've registered. I'm hoping to connect with you on June 25th at 3 p.m. so that we can play to your strengths.